This is John. We're doing a follow-up on the last video regarding the switch. Someone wants to see some more close-ups. It's a push-button switch. We run it through the plywood to a terminal block underneath. And when we lift up the board, you can see it hitting the push button. And we have it out far enough to where it won't get caught when this swings up. So we have it out a little bit further. So when this swings up, it'll end up pushing the push button. And then underneath we have the two wires. We have them right here. We have our two bus wires, it's black and red. The red's, in this case, the red's going straight to the red on the two track sections, and the black goes the push button in between. So we go right here, the push button, these are the push button wires. They're going, on one side we have the push button, and on the other side it goes straight to the block system. So now I'll show you the next project that we're going to be working on. We're trying to figure out what type of color we want our ballast to be on the layout. So we're going to have some samples. We're going to have medium and fine ballast, and one with gray, medium, fine, one with gray, black mixed, and we're going to have a gray brown mix for having sections where there's going to be a lot of dirt, where the track will be really old track. And then we're going to do one more that we haven't figured out what colors we're going to do. So that's what we're going to do next time on a video. So I'll see you then.